Hello friends, in this video I'm going to explain about the complex numbers. In the previous classes we have learned up to real numbers. Okay, after real numbers we have a complex numbers. So what is complex numbers first? Okay, let I'm taking here a comma b are two real numbers. Here a and b are two real numbers. These two real numbers when you write in the form of a comma b is called complex numbers. Complex numbers. These complex numbers we can show in another way. Z equals to a plus ib. Here this a is we call real part. Real part, and b is we call complex imaginary part. Imaginary part. And here I is nothing but I equals to root over minus 1. Okay, when you take squaring on both sides, I square equals to root over minus 1 power of 2. Here square root and square when you get cancel, I square equals to minus 1 you will get. Okay, after getting I square equals to minus 1, we can find I cube also. I cube equals to, we can write I square into I. Yes, just now we find about I square equals to minus 1. Minus 1 into I we can take here. That equals to minus 1 into I is equals to minus 1. We can find I power of 4 also. I power of 4 is equals to, we can write I square into I square. I square is a minus 1 into minus 1. Just now we find about I square. So I minus 1 into minus 1 become plus 1. Like we can find any I power of 5, I power of 6, I power of 7, any power you can find with the help of the first one. I square equals to minus 1. You have to remember about this one. Okay, after getting this, we have to know about next we have to know about the conjugate of the complex numbers. Okay, just like surds. So conjugate, if I take here z equals to a plus ib is a one complex number. Its conjugate, we can take its conjugate is a z bar equals to a minus ib. This is the conjugate of the z. And additive inverse also we can take additive inverse. So z equals to a plus ib is its additive inverse is minus z equals to minus a minus ib. And similarly we can find the multiplicative inverse also. Multiplicative inverse. Okay, z equals to a plus ib is the one complex number. Its multiplicative inverse is 1 by z. 1 by z is equals, we can write 1 by a plus ib. Okay, when you simplify it, if you take for this a plus ib for conjugate, a minus ib we can get by a minus ib. After simplify this, we can get a by a square plus b square minus I into b by a square plus b square. Okay, like we can find multiplicative inverse. This is the formula of multiplicative inverse of any complex numbers. And we have a modulus z equals to a plus ib. Its modulus is mod z equals to mod of a plus ib, that equals to root over a square plus b square. This is the mod of z. Okay, based on these formulas we have some questions. For example, first question, add 2 comma 5 and 4 comma 7. Okay, first this one we have to write in the form of z equals to a plus ib form. So this can be written as 2 plus I into 5 plus, here this is a plus symbol it becomes, because we have to do here add 4 plus 7i, we can write 5i also we can write. This is here both real parts we have to add here, 2 plus 4, and imaginary parts also we have to add 5i plus 7i. I am taking common 5 plus 7. So 2 plus 4 is equals to 6 plus 5 plus 7 is equals to 12i. Okay, this is the real part and this is the imaginary part. Like that we can add. Next, second question. Simplify 5i by 7 plus I. Okay, such questions if you get in the denominator we have a complex number 7 plus I. This we have to change. Its conjugate we have to take like rationalized questions. In the school level we have a questions search topic, how to do rationalizing the denominator. Such method only we have to rationalize this complex number in the denominator. So 5i by 7 plus I into its conjugate is 7 plus I conjugate is 7 minus I by 7 minus I. When you multiply these two, 7 into 5i minus I into 5i by, okay, this is like a plus b into a minus b. As we know, a plus b into a minus b form 7 square minus I square. 7 5 is 35 I minus, here I into I become I square. So 5 into I square by 7 square we know that is 49 minus, and I square equals to just now we found about that value is minus 1. Okay, again this can be written as 35i minus 5 into minus 1 by 49 plus 1. Minus of minus is a plus 1 and minus of minus plus 1. 35i plus 5 by 50. For getting this we have to write 5 by 50 real part and imaginary part also we have to take I into 35 by 50. Okay, if there any cancel we have to do cancel also. Here 5 ones 5 tens, so 1 by 10 plus I into 5 sevens 5 tens. So like that we have to solve if you get such questions. Next, question number 3. Write the multiplicative inverse of 7 comma 24. Write a multiplicative inverse of 7 comma 24. First this one we have to write in the z equals to a plus ib form. Okay, here z equals to 7 plus 24i. Okay, we need to find the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse form is what? 1 by z equals to 1 by 7 plus 24i. Just now I said a formula 1 by z equals to a by a square plus b square minus I into b by a square plus b square. In this form, if you apply this one, you can get, for this one only we have to write okay 1 by z equals to okay a equals to here 7 and b is equals to 24 and a square plus b square 1 by z equals to 7 by 7 square plus 24 square minus I into 24 by 7 square plus 24 square, that equals 7 by 49 plus 576 minus I into 24 by 49 plus 576. And next 7 by, when you add here 49 plus 7 576, that becomes 625 minus I into 24 by 625. This is the multiplicative inverse of any complex numbers. Next question number 4. Find the conjugate of 3 plus 4i into 2 minus 3i. Okay, when you product them, 3 plus 4i into 2 minus 3i. Okay, first we have to multiply real part to real part. 3 to 6 and real part to the imaginary part. 3 times 3 is a 9, but here minus sign is there, so minus 9i. And next these two parts we have to multiply. 2 times 4 is 8i and imaginary part to imaginary part, that is minus 4 times 3 is a 12 and I into I is a I square. These two also we have to multiply. Okay, this is 6 minus 9i plus 8i, that is minus I, minus 12 into I square. This I square equals to, we know, that is minus 1. 6 minus I, minus of minus is plus, 12 ones 12. 12 plus 6 is 18 minus I. And this is the conjugate of the given question. So we know already conjugate. Find the conjugate of this question. Okay, for this one we have to write conjugate. If you take this is a z and we have to find z dash. We know formula z equals to a plus ib. Its conjugate is z bar equals to a minus ib. So z bar equals to, we have to write 18 plus I. This is for the given question conjugate. Find the square root of 7 plus 24i. Okay, for these questions, like these questions, for we have a formula. Okay, for example, a plus ib is one complex number. To find its square root, a plus ib is equals to plus or minus root over a square plus b square plus a by 2 plus I into root over a square plus b square minus a by 2. This is the formula to find any complex numbers square root. Okay, here a equals to 7, a is equals to 7 and b is equals to 24. These two values, when you substitute in this formula, we will get the answer. Plus or minus root over 7 square is 49, 7 square plus 24 square plus 7 by 2 plus I into root over 7 square plus 24 square minus 7 by 2. Okay, 7 square plus 24 square, just now we have find about that value, that is root 625 plus 7 by 2 plus I into root 625 minus 7 by 2. 625 square root is a 25 plus 7 by 2 plus I into root over 25 minus 7 by 2. 25 plus 7 is 32. 32 by 2 is equals to 16. Root 16 plus I into 25 minus 7 is 18. 18 by 2 is a 9. And next term, root 16 is a 4 plus I into root 9 is 3. Okay, finally we can write plus or minus 4 plus 3i is the square root of the given number. Like we can find the questions.